You won't believe how this truck crash changed lives forever. Imagine this, a massive trailer truck speeding down the highway, carrying over 40,000 pounds of cargo, and suddenly, disaster strikes. But this isn't just a story about a crash. It's about courage, decisions, and what happens when everything goes wrong on the road. What caused this crash, and how could it have been prevented? Truck drivers are the backbone of America, transporting over 72% of all freight. But with great responsibility comes enormous risks. On this fateful day, in the heart of Texas, a long-haul driver faced his worst nightmare. This is where our story begins. Everything seemed normal. Well-packed cargo, routine checks, and clear skies. But did you know that just one mechanical failure or a distracted second can turn a road trip into a catastrophe? Would you recognize the warning signs if disaster were about to strike? It all started with a sudden swerve. Witnesses say the trailer's back tires seemed unstable, wobbling dangerously. The driver, struggling to regain control, made a critical choice. But was it the right one? And just like that, bam! The truck jackknifed, the trailer flipped, and traffic came to a screeching halt. Let's rewind. Could this crash have been prevented? Experts point to 3 critical mistakes: overloaded cargo, uneven weight distribution, and overestimated braking power. Any one of these is dangerous. But combined, it's a recipe for disaster. Drivers often rely on modern safety features, but technology can't replace good judgment. And on this day, the driver found out the hard way. What would you do in this situation? Let us know in the comments below. Within minutes, emergency services were on site, battling flames and pulling debris from the wreckage. The good news? The driver survived with minor injuries. The bad news? Over $500,000 worth of cargo was lost, and traffic was gridlocked for 12 hours, affecting thousands. Events like these remind us of the immense pressures and dangers truck drivers face daily. But here's the question we should all be asking. Could proper regulations and better training prevent crashes like this? This isn't just a story about one crash. It's a wake-up call for all of us. Whether you're a trucker, a regular commuter, or a company relying on freight, we all have a role to play in ensuring safety on the roads. Do you think current safety measures are enough? Have you ever witnessed a crash? Share your story below. Make sure to hit that like button if you want more stories uncovering the hidden truths of our highways. Subscribe now for updates, and together, let's create safer roads for everyone. Stay safe and see you in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe to uncover more untold highway stories.